So I'm gonna have to stop the video right here, because if you look there, I don't know how well you guys will be able to see it, but right there is a crack. Let's see if I can get the focus. A crack right in my blade, which is that's a pretty big fail. This one isn't a crack, that's a file mark. But this crack is pretty serious. It wraps around the spine, and I don't know for sure how deep it goes. Obviously, I've cleaned up this bevel some, but it doesn't go all the way to the edge, but it stops about right here. And this couldn't go out to a customer. So let me see if I can get you guys to see it a little better with some of that lovely red Dicam. It's a little shiny, but there you go. You can see it, right? Focus, focus, please. Ugh. Come on, you can do it. There we go. Focus. So it starts right here. Like I said, it wraps around the spine. And it just travels, and it gets really thin from right about here on. And I can't tell if it's just a mark from my scribe. I was trying to follow with the scribe, but it spindles off this way. There's another one that goes off this way. I wish I had a better way to show this to you guys. Yes, this is not going out to the customer. This was a commission piece, and it was going to be super dope. But I couldn't get it hard in the heat treat for some reason. I did a total of 3 quenches, which is a lot, way too much. So first 2 were in canola oil, just like all my other knives, and the last one was in water because I couldn't get it hard enough in the oil. And I believe that in my haste to get this knife done and make some progress, I skipped the normalizing cycles in between, even though I knew there was going to be more stress induced in the water quench. So I'm gonna have to start over, unfortunately, because this is a massive chunk of steel. Absolutely massive. So I'm not giving up. This fight is not over. I will win. Stay tuned for part 2. Hopefully it'll be over in part 2. Messing up another time would be bad. So I just broke it. I literally just, it was hardly any effort at all. There you go. You can see, didn't use a hammer, vise, nothing. Look at this thing was hanging on by a thread, an absolute thread. There's my scribe. Look, this little silver section is where it was attached. Look at how little that is. I mean, it's intact down at the edge, but that's like, had I not noticed it, shipped this out to a customer and him try to cut something with it and it fall in half like that, it literally just fell. That's horrible. I'm trying to look, see if I can get it to focus. Yeah, there you go. Silver is where it was attached, and the grain, I don't even know what I'm talking about. I'm not an expert on grain size. I'm not a forged and fired judge. I just like to show. So yeah, big mistake, expensive mistake, but not giving up. Here's the other, this is like a fourth of the total steel on this knife. This thing is heavy. This is a monstrosity. Yeah, that's just gone. So, and because we like content, there's the cat. Yes, I'm in my socks, don't judge me. What? She's busy.